It's like prisoners.
Hill.
It's not a hill.
How long is it?
6 kilometers.
6 kilometers. It's really new. If you look at those stairs, and then we have this area here. Wow. There's something. I see a spaceship there. It looks like a spaceship.
Yes, there's another one. That's why it's 5 kilometers of tunnels.
It's 5 kilometers of tunnels.
Underneath, there's all like tunnels.
All those what do you call this? Labyrinth. It's a nice area to have a hike, and with this weather it's perfect. So we're still on the green line. This is a totally new hanging bridge here in Wallonia.
It has a unique design.
And a unique concept. That's what they say. So we will see.
Let's explore. Oh my gosh, it looks dangerous.
That's the turnstile where you can buy ticket, but the system is a bit slow. It's crazy, payment system. And that's a bridge. It's not visible on the video, but this bridge is super high. I'm afraid of heights. Reminds me of Corinth. Yeah? If you look at there, guys. Oh. And of course, it shakes a bit.
Can you look down?
And if you look down,
You are.
amazing. I can't really high, you guys. It's shaking a bit. Oh, I feel the steps of people.
Every step.
Feel dizzy.
Amazing.
Nice.
Ja, dat is sterk genoeg. Yes.
I'll do it fast. And there's another bridge there.
Waar dat we over gereden hebben.
See behind, that is already Netherlands. That's why if you have your smartphone with you, you will get a notice that you're already in another country. And that is Belgium. So this is really new. And it might be really nice as well in autumn because there are a lot of trees here. So if they have nice colors, it would be nice. And what? What's that? If you look down there, I don't know. It's us. He's taking picture.
Wow.
And also, there's another gate on the other side where you can buy your ticket, which was a bit of a hassle. So it's better, I think, if you buy your ticket in advance and you just scan your QR code.
Yes.
It's easier.
And maybe even cheaper.
Yeah.
Because on the QR code the price was 3 euros.
Here.
And on the spot it's 5 euros.
So this is the other side of the bridge. We made it.
We made it.
Yes. We're going to the other side and continue our hike.
Yes.
To other bridge.
There's another bridge. Next part of the hike. These are apple trees.
Apple trees with blossoming.
A lot of daffodils.
And
That is Liège area, no? Side?
yes.
Because of that Maastricht. Then
That's Vizé.
Avise.
That is Kanne. That's the Dutch side.
Ah, okay.
I don't have to have something
Wrong
modern
side.
there.
Went to my nose. Flowers along the route. A huge chestnut tree with a broken branch.
And the
What
tree
is
with
that?
mushrooms.
A tree with mushrooms. Oh. There's a tree. Oh, a baby black sheep. Hey, meh. Of yellow flowers. It's kind of ready. Look at that house with straw roof.
Yeah.
Duck.
Looks very good. Wow. So many things.
Yeah. Let's walk to the other side. Houten van Kanne. It's closed today.
Oh my gosh. It's a very big thing.
Okay, going back to the parking lot. We're almost done with our hike. We took the green route, which is 7 kilometers. It shows almost 2 hours of walk.
But we still have something like 20 minutes to walk.
Yeah. And if you want to eat, there's also a restaurant in front or beside the fort.
Hopefully.
And we're back. 2 hours and 7 minutes. A nice add-on when you visit the area. So this is just like 6 minutes away from Bassange, from that hanging bridge. Tower of Peace. And there's also an exhibit happening inside. More contemporary works.
Of the quarry